Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. Tania Quin here, coming at you with another quick video. I have my client here that came in for a consultation wanting to extend the ends of her locks because she was not happy with them. They were very fragile. A lot of them were thin and a lot of them were short, like these here. This is her before. Here you see me undoing the ends of her locks with my Dreadlock removal tool, which you can find on my website, which I'll have the link, not the link, but I'll have it posted here on the right hand corner, so that if you're interested or if you have clients that want dreadlock removal, you can purchase this tool. Very good tool. It is a must-have tool. Look at the foundation that I created, undoing the ends of her locks so that I can attach 6 inches of permanent lock extensions that I've made for her. The locks that I've made for her, it's a mixture of 0.2 and 0.4 thickness. Here in this clip, what you see in the rubber band are locks that I've already extended. And then the locks to the left and the locks to the right that are loose, those I'm going to extend next. And here is the final result, guys. Look how beautiful. Her locks were very healthy. It was just the ends that she had a little, she was a little concerned with. So I fixed that problem for her. Look how thick and beautiful the ends of her locks look. Very seamless. You cannot tell where I installed the permanent lock extensions in the ends. Here's the before so you all can see. And here is the beautiful after picture. Look at that, guys. Look how beautiful her locks look. I thank you all for tuning in. If you do like this video, please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Also, if you can also share this video, because hey, you never know who may need or who may want to do this service or been looking to do this service. So I am here if anyone needs me. Have a great day and God bless you all.